Being a writer is like being in a laboratory of emotions.
Marek Šindeljka, češki pesnik in pisatelj, je na Karlovi univerzi v Pragi študiral kulturologijo. Na tamkajšnji filmski akademiji pa scenaristiko. Nekateri pravijo, da je pesnik, ki piše kratke zgodbe, in pisec kratkih zgodb, ki piše romane. In vse to kakor mladi bog češke literature.
I'm still on this track, I'd say, trying to be as sensitive as possible and as precise as possible in describing my emotions and other people's emotions and so on and so on.
Prvencu strihnin in druge zgodbe so sledili roman Napaka ter kratkoprozni zbirki Ostanite z nami ter Anin zemljevid.
My brother, he became a drug addict. There was a big loss when for a couple of years he disappeared from my life, and I was searching for him, and I was tried to somehow deal with the situation, and the poems, the poetry was a means of doing that. And I realized that it is such a powerful tool to describe yourself, your fears, your feelings and emotions, and that it enables you to connect to someone.
V romanu Utrujenost materiala, ki je izšel leta 2016, Marek tematizira aktualno evropsko migrantsko krizo.
In the Czech Republic, it was really a dreamlike situation because there was not a single migrant, and yet we were able to somehow thinking about building some concentration camps almost. So for me, it was such a like cold shower how we are still subjects, or we are somehow ready for evil in a way.
Brata, stara 13 in 20 let, z neimenovane dežele v vojni, sta na begu v Evropo. Takoj po začetku poti se ločita. Mlajši ima le listič z imenom mesta, kamor se je napotil njegov brat. Gola zgodba, povedana z močno domišljijo, z empatijo, zapisana v izvirnem, jedrnatem, poetičnem stilu Mareka Šindeljke.
Chtěl křičet, ale nemohl se nadechnout. Neslyšel nic, kromě svého srdce, které mu tlouklo do kolen, bušilo v hrdle, ve tváři, v kořeni nosu. Bušilo do kovových stěn karosérie. Musím se uklidnit, říkal si, jinak se nenadechnu. Všechno hučelo. To se v hlavě hromadila krev.
Piše o ljubezni, erotiki, razočaranju in nemoči, o junakih, ki niso temačni, so pa izgubljeni. Ostanimo z njimi.